In this video, I'm going to show you how to see send requests on Instagram and then cancel those follow requests. If you have sent follow requests to a number of people and you can't remember whom you sent it to, in this video, let me show you how you can easily know and also cancel those follow requests. So if this is something that you want to learn today, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now the first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram app, and then from here we need to download the Instagram information. Instagram stores all of your interactions and information. So what you need to do is head over to your profile on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right, and then tap on your activity. Through this section, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will have an option called download your information. You can just tap on this and tap on request a download. Now either you can choose to download the entire information, or you can also choose to download specific type of files. So tap on the second option, which is select type of information. And from here just select the followers and following. Once you do this, you can tap on next. Once this is done, in the next section you need to choose the format. Make sure that is set to HTML and then tap on submit request. Now Instagram will send you an email on your email address that is linked with your Instagram. This email will be received in a few minutes. If you don't have a lot of followers, it should not take much time. Once you receive the email, you just need to open up the email, and you can see this is the section where you can download it. Just tap on download your information. Now once you open up this section, as you can see, this is a section from where you can download your following and followers list. Just tap on the request. This is the request that we just sent. Just tap on download and then type in the password of your Instagram. Once the file has been downloaded, you just tap on the file and extract the files to your file manager. Choose your file manager and tap on extract. Once the file has been extracted, you will see the folder called Instagram, and it's going to say your username of your Instagram. You can just tap on open this folder, tap on the followers and following list, and you'll have a section of resend follow requests. You can just tap on this option and choose the Google Chrome option. This way it is exactly going to show you the people that you have sent the follow request. Now if you want to cancel that request, you can tap on the names like this, tap on the Instagram account, and you can unfollow that person from right here, or you can cancel that follow request that you sent. So you'll need to repeat this process for every person that you've sent the follow request. So that is the exact way on how to see send requests on Instagram and how to cancel them. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.